Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam big picture mode not working problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to reset Steam. Doing this will not cause any harm to our game guys. To do this we need to close the Steam completely. Click on the system tray icon, right click on the Steam and select exit Steam. After doing this, right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type steam colon double slash flash config. Click on OK. After doing this, Steam will open up automatically. And you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to join Steam beta. To do this, open up Steam, select the Steam on top and select settings. Select interface and client beta participation. Click on the drop down and select Steam beta update. Select restart now. After doing this, Steam will run a small update. After update done, you just need to go to Steam on the top and select settings. On left side, select interface. On right side, you just need to scroll down, start Steam in big picture mode, toggle on position, and enable GPU accelerated rendering in a web view. Toggle on and select restart. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to reinstall Steam without deleting it. This solution allows us to reinstall Steam without deleting the game we have installed. To do this, click on this system tray icon, right click on the Steam and select exit Steam. After doing this, right click on the Steam and select open file location. We need to delete everything except Steam apps folder and steam.exe file. Just press in keyboard Control plus A and press in keyboard Control and uncheck the Steam. And now scroll up and uncheck the Steam apps folder. Now right click on the other files and select delete it guys. This file will be loaded when we open Steam again. We deleted the files guys. Now you need to open the steam.exe. Steam will run a small update. Now log into the Steam and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.